I'm Paul Perkins with the check of your ag weather. With highs this afternoon anywhere from the 40s to the mid-50s, scattered rain remains possible with a disturbance tracking to the southeast. As temperatures cool this evening, rain transitions into snow showers, possibly with a brief window of freezing rain and drizzle. More widespread chances for snow or a wintry mix arrive around midnight and continue through tomorrow morning. Any impacts tonight through tomorrow morning look to be minimal with light snow accumulations. Sunshine returns from west to east tomorrow and highs in the 40s to the low 50s. A ridge of high pressure builds eastward onto the plains for dry weather and mild temperatures for Thursday into early next week. The warmest day on Thursday, highs that are 20 degrees warmer than normal in the low to mid 60s. Highs level off to the mid 50s to the mid 60s for Friday and Saturday. Sunday slightly cooler with highs top out in the 50s. By Monday, those highs rebound into the upper 50s to the mid 60s. Long-term forecast calls for a high likelihood of warmer than normal temperatures Sunday through February 16th in Nebraska, Kansas, and all but the far western and eastern areas of the U.S. It looks to be somewhat active over the western and central U.S. with above normal precipitation for Nebraska and Kansas Sunday through February 16th, especially the early half of next week. Key weather factors the markets are watching include warmer air building through the U.S. and rain chances for Argentina. On the plains, frigid weather is mostly limited to eastern North Dakota. Mostly dry weather and warmer than normal temperatures have left much of the plains winter wheat without a protective snow cover. Following the late January winter storm, wheat across the southern plains is benefiting from a recent boost in topsoil moisture. Several weak disturbances generate mostly light precipitation over the next several days. The most significant rain, locally in an inch or more, falls today and tonight from eastern Texas into the Tennessee Valley, while light snow spreads from the Ohio Valley into the mid-Atlantic. Late in the week, a cold front sweeping across the Midwest and Northeast is preceded by light snow and is trailed by cold, windy weather that ensures another frigid weekend for the Great Lakes and Northeast. Florida's peninsula escapes without additional freezes. Mostly mild weather prevails the next 5 days from the Pacific coast to the plains. Next week, a couple of storms are possible, but there's still quite a bit of uncertainty on the impact. A midweek storm across the north and another late next week across the south are most likely. Argentina concerns for dryness continue to increase, especially in central and southern areas. For southern Argentina, there are chances of rain tomorrow through Friday, which could somewhat help. This month is more likely to provide better rain chances for Argentina, which is needed to decrease the stress for late planted corn and soybeans. The Black Sea region saw very cold air return this past weekend and is likely to take several days this week to push eastward, which is renewing concerns of winter kill for the wheat. Beneficial precipitation and snow cover, though, are possible in the Black Sea region this week and next, a possible benefit for wheat that went into dormancy in need of more precipitation by the spring. With your check of ag weather, I'm Paul Perkins.